Hello guys, hope you are all doing great. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to download and install Google Meet on Windows. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and type Google Meet download. Okay, enter it. This is the first link where you can download Google Meet online video calls, meetings and conferencing. So click on that. Once you clicked on the link, you will come to this page. Here you cannot download actually, so you have to click on three dots here and choose cast, save and share, and here we have an option which is install Google Meet. So click on that, click on install. That's how you can download and install Google Meet. So you can pin on the taskbar. Okay, and close this page, close also the browser. As you can see, Google Meet has been installed on Windows successfully. If you don't have the icon here, you can search Google Meet. As you can see, it has been installed successfully. That's it guys, hope you like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Please like and share the video with your friends. See you in the next video.